Assalamualaikum. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It's 4th of November and time is 4:45 Indian Standard Time. We are here to take a look at one of our cutest and the smallest project. It's a budget flat, but doesn't look like a budget flat. It's 2 BHK, 800 square feet at Paramount Gate number 1, and the price range is 30 lakhs and above. Welcome to Golden Heights at Paramount Gate number 1. Let me take you through. It's 800 square feet. That's the entrance. It has got only two-wheeler parking, and that's going to be the leisure area where you're going to have some seating, a bit of gardening, indoor gardening. And that's the road. It comes right in front of Fort View Villa. If I could show you the entire there you go. That's the Fort View Villa, right opposite to Fort View Villa, and it's a broad 30 feet road, takes you from Fort View Villa to straight to the project. That's the project. It's Golden Heights, 800 square feet each flat, 2 BHK with 2 bathrooms. Let's get in and have a look at the progress. The moment we enter, the first thing what we see is the elevator, the staircase which takes you to the basement, and next to it will be the staircase which takes you up. There you go. And this area is going to be the leisure area. Yes, that's the granite stone which will be used for cladding for the kitchen, and yes, those are the frames, door frames for the elevator, which will come and fit here. So the moment you enter, you land up into this common area. That's the common area. The staircase which takes you up, right next to it would be the flat number 1, and then comes the elevator, and then comes one more staircase which takes you up. Yes, it has been circulated to this elevator to save the space and proper ventilation, and that's the flat number 2. So let's start getting on to the flat number 1. The moment you enter, you will see 2 door frames, 2 bedrooms, 1 and 2 bedroom. This is going to be the hall, the entire hall. The shelves and all those things were done by, that's the main entrance we have entered from, and that's the entire hall. Yeah, that's the hall. Once the false ceiling is done, probably it's going to look a little more beautiful. Coming to the other part of the hall, so next to it would be the kitchen, and that's going to be the hand wash area. And kitchen platforms are done, shelves are done, the overhead storage stuff is done. Very well ventilated, pretty much spacious, and that is going to be the common bath. The tiles are done, the flooring is done, the waterproofing is done. So let's get on to the first at the left hand side. The moment you enter, it's a master bedroom. Probably until here, the bed would come until here, from there till here. And then the wardrobes. This window opens up outside. Beautiful outdoor views. You've got masjid right next to it. And yes, that's the place where we have entered. So coming back to the interiors of this, the POP is done. The entire walls will be finished with lapam, and that's the wardrobe. The person had paid extra to do this, and that is going to be an attached bath. Coming out of this room, that's again you land up in the hall. This would be a very beautiful area to decorate or to make a bench or do some kind of an interior over here. Okay, let's get on to the second bedroom. This could be the kids' room, and it will have an entire life-size door frame, aluminium door frame with the glass, and that's going to be pretty much spacious balcony and beautiful view from the balcony. Yes, That's room number 2. Probably you could call it as a kid's room or the second room. And coming back, that's the entire hall. Let me also take you to the flat number 2, which is a little more spacious than the flat number 1. Yes, it's a mirror image of flat number 1, but a little more spacious. That flat comes on the road facing, and this flat comes at the back side of the project. Same as I told you, that's the kitchen. This is the second series flat. What we have seen first is the first series flat. Common bath. This place is little more wider than we have witnessed in the flat number 1. So that's the room number 1, which is an attached bath. That's the room. A lot of concrete structures all around. It's a Cosmo kind of a place. That's the attached bath. Commode comes in that. And that's the entire bedroom. I hope you're getting a proper idea of the size of the rooms and the kind of the structure and the quality of the construction. Yes, we are entering into this room number 2. It has got a wide enough window with, yes, lot of storage capacity with an overhead storage as well. Coming out, that's the entire hall. From this wall to that wall with a wide enough window, and then, yes. So, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoyed the entire presentation of Landmark Homes of Golden Heights at Paramount Gate number 1. It's 2 BHK, 800 square feet, pretty much spacious, perfect for a small family, and also it's a very good option for having a rental revenue as your second property. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, for watching this video. Have a nice, fantastic, fantabulous day ahead. And if you have any comments or queries, it's a budget flat, of course. Please keep rolling in your comments. And thank you very much for watching. Have a nice, fantastic, and fantabulous time. Allah Hafiz.